Are you looking for a practical men's beard grooming kit to take care of your beard every day like a pro? In this video, we present kits that offer a solid selection of tools, durable quality, and ease of use. All the links are available in the description below. For optimal grooming, it's important to choose a kit with accessories suited to your style and grooming needs. We've selected the 3 best men's beard grooming kits on the market. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more grooming tips. Here are the 3 best men's beard grooming kits, from the most affordable to the most premium. First, the XIKEZAN Men's Beard Grooming Kit is a complete all-in-one solution designed to help you achieve a healthy, smooth, and well-styled beard every day. Suitable for all beard types, whether long, short, thick, or coarse, this premium set includes a beard wash and conditioner that gently cleanse while deeply hydrating both hair and skin to reduce itchiness and beard dandruff. The beard oil and balm work together to nourish, soften, and add natural shine while helping the beard appear fuller and better controlled. A high-quality brush and comb stimulate natural oils and evenly distribute products, while precision scissors allow for accurate trimming and shaping. The included travel storage bag keeps everything organized on the go, and the expert ebook provides practical grooming and styling tips. Presented in an elegant gift box, this kit makes an excellent gift for birthdays, holidays, or special occasions, combining quality, practicality, and thoughtful presentation for any bearded man. Next, the Comfy Mate 9-in-1 Men's Beard Grooming Kit is designed to support every man with a simple and effective care routine. The included products gently cleanse the beard, moisturize the skin, and nourish the hair to achieve a softer, silkier beard over time. The oil and balm help discipline the beard while improving its overall appearance. The included styling tools make daily maintenance easier, allowing you to brush, comb, and trim the beard with precision, even on the go thanks to the practical storage bag. Suitable for all beard and mustache types, this set is ideal for establishing a regular routine or as a gift for someone looking to refine their style. Presented as a well-crafted gift box, it's a popular choice for special occasions. Finally, the Viking Revolution Men's Beard Grooming Kit is designed for those seeking an effective and stylish grooming routine. The included accessories make detangling and shaping easier before and after trimming, while the oil and balm provide hydration, softness, and hold. The sandalwood scent adds a refined and masculine touch to the overall experience. Compact and practical, the metal tin allows you to store and transport all the elements of the kit easily, whether at home or on the go. Suitable for all bearded and mustached men, this set is an ideal choice for establishing a simple, high-quality routine. Its well-presented format and balanced contents also make it an excellent gift idea for holidays or special occasions. You can find the links to the products in the description below. Don't hesitate to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. See you next time for another product comparison.